Now we are at the esophagus. Peristalsis takes place here. Peristalsis also takes place in the stomach. All right, peristalsis is where the food moves through the body. All right, it's a muscle and it moves food through the body. And while it's moving through the body, it's contracting and relaxing, contracting, relaxing, contracting. This is the food coming from the throat is up here, or the throat is up here, and it's sending it down the esophagus, contracting. When it goes out, it's relaxing. Contracting, relaxing, contracting, okay? So, and then here again, this is the esophagus. This is relaxed. We've just put some food in, relaxed, contract, relaxed. Here it is, contract, because it's in and out. See? In and out. In and out. In and out. All right? So, peristalsis are the smooth muscles in the esophagus, stomach, and in the intestines. And again, it's contracting. When it goes out, it's relaxing. Goes in, it's contracting. Out, it's relaxing. In, it's contracting. Out, it's relaxing. Just like when we breathe, and just like when the heart's pumping blood. Contract, relax. Here is a diagram. I colored it for you and made it all pretty. It shows you where we have been and where we are going in the digestive system. Again, starts in the mouth, to the back of the throat, the pharynx, and then it goes down, and then here is the epiglottis. Just below that, that's the flat, remember, and just below that starts the esophagus, and it takes us all the way down, and right here we have, that we will learn about soon, this is the sphinct, all right, and just past the sphinct, we have the stomach. And in the esophagus and in the stomach, peristalsis is what peristalsis is taking place here, and it's taking place here. And the food continues all around, all around, all around, all around, all around. This is the small intestine. Then it goes into the large intestine. And then over here we get to the body cells, and then whatever is not used in the body cells goes to the anus and comes out as poop, which is, the scientific name is feces. Today's activity. We've got the comic strip, but before we do the comic strip, I want you to go back and look. These are the answers from yesterday, where you had to put all 6 of the, the order of digestion in order. So I'll read them to you. I start at the mouth, crunch, slice, dice. The teeth chop me up. The saliva breaks me down. That was 1. 2nd, swoop. I enter the long tube called the esophagus, and muscles slide me down. 3, swish. The muscles in the stomach mix me up with the acids, and I get smaller. 4, after all that mixing in the stomach, I feel dizzy. Swoop. I fall into another valve in the small intestines. Here I am sprayed with more chemicals. 5, in the small intestines, I diffuse into the walls and catch a ride with the blood. And 6, the blood vessels bring me to a body cell, like in a muscle, and I can give it all my energy. All right, so we're going to use this to help us write our comic strip, okay? I've already done mine. Directions say, draw a comic of a piece of food moving through the digestive system. Use the write it draft, which is here. Or you can use this. You can use this one. Anyway, you can use that one. Organizer to help you organize content for the 5 boxes. All right. So mine's called A Wild Ride, introducing pizza pieces. The mouth. The food starting out in the mouth, going down the esophagus that we just learned about. This is the food, and it's going through peristalsis. Here it is in the stomach. It's getting swished around now even more with more chemicals and enzymes. And it's getting dizzy. Whoop, and then it goes down to the small intestines, and it's broken down, and here you can see the blood vessels that are attached. And the blood vessels pull the nutrients out, and they go out into the body cells, and it goes to the legs, and whatever the body doesn't need, it brings back, and it goes to the anus and comes out as feces. And here's your copy of the comic strip. This is what you'll turn in.